welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this hair straightening brush that I got in the mail by this company. The company's name is AsaVea, and they asked me to go ahead and try it out and see what I thought about it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this brush looks like. It is black and like orange, and then it has bristles like a regular hairbrush in it, and I guess that when you straighten it, your hair should turn straight. So this little setup I have going on here is a little different than my norm. I am actually filming with my phone, so I'm not even sure if the quality is going to be the same as when I'm filming with my camera, but I just needed to find a way to film and have the big mirror in front of me, so I'm kind of struggling right now. But yeah, if you want to see what I think about this brush on my curly little hair, then keep watching. All right, so before I go ahead and start the actual straightening of my hair, I always go ahead and put a protective cream just so that my curls don't get that much damage, but they're still gonna get damaged. My hair is like super thin and gets damaged out of anything. So anyways, I go ahead and part my hair. I start from the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what this brush does. Wow, that's one swipe. It's pretty straight. This is cool. It's kind of like I'm just brushing through my hair. It's different. Okay, so off the bat, I think that it's a great straightener, like really quickly. Like I only passed it once or twice and it's already pretty much straight. The only thing I am seeing is that it's leaving it puffy, and that's the thing about curly hair. You really need to get like a blower or a good flat iron to make sure that there's no frizz, and that's what this isn't doing. Yeah, I'm not even gonna keep going with this brush because it's just not gonna get my hair the way I want it. I think that this is a great brush if your hair was naturally straight and you kind of just have to like make it not a little bit wavy and it'll be completely straight. This is a great brush for that. But for my hair, I just personally know that I don't like my hair when it's puffy and frizzy like this. So I don't know, I would have to straighten it with this, which is super easy. I really like that I could just go like this 20 times and like I don't have to worry about opening and closing like a plancha or an iron. I'm sorry, I'm super Dominican. Or like passing the blower. That's kind of annoying. So this is kind of super easy just to get it kind of straight. But after this, I would still have to go in with my iron to iron my hair to make it like completely straight. So that's the only negative about this. I hate giving bad reviews, and this really isn't a bad review. It just doesn't work for my hair. I just have really curly hair. I need something that's really gonna straighten it. But yeah, I don't have really anything else to say. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair with an actual blower and an iron because this is gonna take me forever. I just can't. I can't do it. I'm sorry. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Go check it out on AsaVea. I'll leave the link down on my description box below in case you're interested. They also have like a straightener, which maybe I should have asked for that because that definitely would have worked better on my head. I just wanted to see if a straightening brush actually worked on curly hair because I've seen it in the store and I've been intrigued, but I'm always like iffy about it because I know that curly hair is hard to straighten. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.